Zombie?
Ilang points ba tayo ka na?
Do we accept? Do we accept?
They did not say dancing.
Tatago.
Hindi ako magtatago. Papatay ako ng zombie.
Dito naman sa Flying Titans, who is most likely to survive a zombie apocalypse? None other than Sergeant Royce Tumino! Ate Royce, pasample na nung ano gagawin mo kung nakakita ka ng zombie. Kunwari zombie si Ate Cherry. O, ito si ano. Kunwari lang. O. 1, 2, 3, action!
Sige na, kumapa ka muna. Parinig kita. Siyempre, paparinig ko muna. Headshot agad para patayin na.
It's for your generosity and confusion answering our question. Kahit sino. Sa loob ng team, alam ko may gusto kayong sabihin na coach, pero sige sa team muna tayo. Walang next question. Anton, parang nahihirapan sila. Parang good secret keepers daw.
And why?
I love them all. Like I truly do, okay? But there is one that makes me smile every day.
Alright, lastly, what can we expect from you with your new team here in the Philippines, Zoe?
Well, I will give my best. I don't think that one player wins games. I think that teams win games. And I believe in team 100%. So, let's win.